Masakan Nepal itu kayak reuni akbar 3 dapur beda negara. Bayangin ada chef India datang bawa rempah-rempah yang melimpah. Ketemu sama chef dari Cina yang jago banget tumis-tumisan. Dan dapat bahan-bahan alami yang dibawa sama chef dari pegunungan Tibet. Jadi deh, comfort food ala warga Himalaya. Tapi di episode kali ini aku nggak akan hunting kulinernya. Aku justru akan belajar cara ngebuatnya. Hari ini aku mau ikutan kelas memasak di Kathmandu Cooking Class. Kita bakal diajarin masak satu jenis makanan pembuka, satu jenis main course, dan satu dessert. Yang unik, kita nggak cuma belajar masak, tapi juga diajak dari bahan-bahannya.
Ini benar-benar whole experience. Kita bakal diajak ke pasar dulu buat belanja bahannya. Seru banget.
Buat pembuka, aku pilih alo chop. Kalau di Indonesia, alo chop ini mungkin mirip-mirip perkedel ya. Jadi kita bakal butuh kentang dan juga bumbu-bumbu rempah khas Nepal. Buat main course-nya, aku pilih momos. Buat yang belum tahu apa itu momos, boleh nonton episode pertama aku keliling Nepal ya. Dan buat dessertnya, aku pilih kheer. Semacam rice pudding gitu deh. Oh iya, kelas ini pesertanya nggak cuma aku doang ya. Ada beberapa peserta lain dan pilihan makanan mereka beda-beda juga. Jadi ini kita belanjanya macam-macam. Setelah kurang lebih 1 jam kita keliling belanja beli bahan-bahannya. Sekarang saatnya kita masuk dapur. Langkah pertama adalah persiapan dulu.
What we gonna cook
Kita
first?
diminta mencacah semua bahan-bahan yang akan kita pakai. Di sini kita sempat dikasih tahu juga dasar-dasar penggunaan kitchen utensil. Kayak pisau yang mana cocok untuk sayur, dan pisau mana yang cocok untuk daging, dan sebagainya. Lumayan ya, bermanfaat buat kehidupan sehari-hari.
I think apple momo would be nice. Like a real fine apple cinnamon momo.
And some walnuts.
Kita baru aja selesai preparing. Ini buat momo vegetarian, soalnya banyak peserta yang vegetarian. Nanti aku momo chicken.
Oh,
2
2
cup,
cups?
3 cup, okay?
Okay, 3 cups
This
of
is
flour.
for more than 50, I mean more than 60 pieces, mama.
Oh,
Wow. This is a lot.
60 momos.
What's it do?
No, right? No milk, like no
Yeah.
salt?
No salt.
Really?
Salt, everything will put it here.
In the mixture, of
Yes,
course.
every-
Baba ganoush, whatever. Like, that sounds amazing.
This feels a little dry.
Yeah.
Need a more.
And it's like
Oh, you deep fry it.
yeah. And
Oh,
then you have
okay.
this chickpea yogurt creamy thing with deep fried chunks of flour with
So
not bad. It is like my
Like
best
best
experience.
experience.
Yeah. I will find out what the name is again.
Half an hour.
Okay, it has to rest half an hour. Interesting.
In the fridge or just
You can put in the fridge, keep outside, it doesn't.
it doesn't change?
This is the most important
Those are
part.
nice
Yes.
pans.
This is where the spicy comes in,
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am.
But then you
Okay.
don't have momos.
Okay. Without ghee, without milk, we cannot make ghee.
Without ghee, you can't do momo sauce?
No, mama sauce. Mama sauce we can make.
Yeah, this is the dessert. That's the tier.
I thought you were both making this.
No, she's making momo sauce without ghee.
First of all, you have to fry the garlic. Just 1 teaspoon.
You want to do it?
No, you're fine. You're happy. Yes. Oh, smell it.
It's the root of every oh that's
Shears.
No, it's not. Oh, it's the clove.
Only shears, yeah, like this. Karma sauce, not.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it is like
like rice made with milk and sugar.
Okay, it's
Rice,
getting
milk,
brown, eh?
sugar, and some spices.
Also turmeric.
Try my dough too moist. Now that I see
Yeah,
how little water it
really
took, I think I make it too moist. That's why it's so sticky. Just a little bit more, but just a little.
Careful.
And this is a bara masala.
Oh, garam masala, I love that.
And also,
Yeah.
I need to try some of those.
One little bit for the bara. You can spoon this one.
Almost every
We will
dough.
blend this one with water like this. Yes, wait,
Oh my gosh, see, I can't flip.
I will flip.
Do you
You're
want?
gonna flip? I can't flip.
Yeah, I want
I'm glad I'm in charge of the mushrooms, because
Still a little bit more, right?
Yes. Blend with this spice like a ginger garlic paste, bara masala, this one, yes. Coriander, chili paste.
Now I showed it.
You can make it.
It's okay, it's
and
okay.
then you make a little sun.
Oh my god, so pretty. Wow.
Wow!
This is amazing. Sort of a cake.
Yeah, it's like a little biscuit.
Gets hot by the hand. A bit
Yeah,
more,
it is a
yes.
little
It's not
sticky.
ready yet.
Yeah, it's not ready.
Yeah, I see you making picture.
Ah.
You just open it.
I think so. I just wanted to do it.
You stick it.
Yeah, it's a bit sticky, is it not?
Yeah. I think it's gonna be tough to remove it.
It needed more oil.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really sticking a lot.
How you man?
He'll do
You will
it.
flip it?
Same for the chicken, for the base, yeah.
Okay.
Salt.
I told her I would
There's
make
cumin and coriander powder
Sorry.
here.
Mm.
Let's move the chocolate. That sounds really good.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Yeah. All these flavors come together. I think we've been waiting for a really long time.
Do that.
The Momo dance.
Never dance.
Momo dance. Oh, the Momo dance should have a movement like this. Feel like I smell it, and it's a Shiba Momo dance. Yes! I'm not too gracious in my yoga.
Just want to take some pictures.
Oh, very catchy. Very, very catchy.
It's gotta be round.
Coming down. The one down here.
Okay, let's.
Like you can fold, okay? I'll roll the other one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he
Whoa.
says, just stop. Just stop. You're making my eyes hurt. Just
You're
stop.
making good. Very round.
Okay. All right. So,
Now here like this.
The
You
little
have to
thing.
pinch here, okay? Take like this here. Pinch it. Again pinch here. Join like this.
Okay,
Pinch,
I can do
step
that.
by step. Join.
and
Pinch
then-
it. Join. Pinch
pinch
it.
it, join it.
Okay.
Okay.
Join it. Pinch it, join
Just
it.
like
Okay,
that.
I can do
Ah,
that.
Yes,
I can do
nice.
that.
Move like this. Pinch. Join.
Join.
This is my Momo.
Yeah? Nice.
Actually, this one is.
And then she just got the mushrooms, or she
This is chicken.
Yeah, chicken. You can sit and enjoy now.
and besides sachets, she said like,
This is it. Halo chop.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Lots of oil, and I need to take allowance after.
well, then I also don't like.
Oh, come on.
Rasanya mirip perkedel, tapi lebih crispy. Dan dia agak-agak spicy dalamnya.
No,
Sausnya ini agak-agak
deep fry. You're not? You're
asam,
not?
tapi masih.
Butter I like.
The sauce is delicious.
Lisa, do you want to move here?
I might.
Yeah, it tastes very nice.
Vegetable mama. Still we have more mama.
Wow.
Move your arm. Sophia, move your arm. Just yeah, there we go. Ready? Got it.
So proud.
Enak banget, enak.
Well, now I need one.
Yeah.
Give it here.
Apa tuh jadi? Aku bisa buka restoran Momo nih di Indonesia.
So that's the right thing in it?
Yeah, because he approached or I said hello and then he asked me like, oh, where are you?
Oh, of course he did. Disappointed by anything that I've gotten through that.
Yeah, so he's like, he approached me.
Pulang belajar masak, aku nemu bakery yang katanya wajib banget nih dicobain kalau kita ke Kathmandu. Jadi walaupun udah agak kenyang, tapi karena ini malam terakhir aku di sini, jadi kayaknya harus deh aku cobain. Seperti biasa, kuenya ada macem-macem. Tapi katanya sih yang rekomendasi cheesecake-nya. Jadi aku pesen strawberry cheesecake ini. Lembut banget. Lebih dominan stroberinya daripada cheese-nya. Eto. Enak banget. Perjalanan aku di Nepal berakhir di sini. Sampai jumpa di vlog selanjutnya, di kota selanjutnya, di negara selanjutnya. Dadah!